Yeah, I'd been wanting to leave.
I'm gonna start pushing you.
Push me.
Um, you're a parent now.
Yes, I am.
You don't speak much about that.
I'm a parent, and I'm a parent. I'm raising a beautiful, a pretty, a gorgeous little baby girl, a very
Yeah.
shy baby girl.
Yeah.
Very different from who I am. But it's what, as soon as I leave, it's what the things that you've done that has influenced this child. Even here at school, siyabona ukuthi uwena nje lo.
Yes. Yes.
The way she speaks, I guess kushuthi ngifake i-confidence again. I wake up and I tell her each and every single day ukuthi muhle. You're beautiful. You're the most prettiest girl in the world. Ngimtshela lokho because I want ukuthi abe nayo leyo confidence le. I wanted to take part in each and every single thing mina engakwazanga ukuthi ngiyenze back in school because yes, my confidence levels were there, but khona ezinye izinto zamantombazane ngangakwazi ukuthi ngizenze
Yeah.
because umfana wena kwakusayithabhu lento sexuality manje. So each and every single thing, if there's a talent a show at school, you are there. You are dancing, you are doing this, you are doing well. Okwamanje usasaba ukuba in front of the camera and do speeches and going for debating and things like that, but uyakwazi ukuthi azikhulumele. Yeah. So I'm raising a beautiful baby girl, and abantu abaningi bayayibuza ukuthi oh baby girl wabayo nalona. Well, he's my partners. She is my partners. And so I'm a step parent to her, which I hate to the step parent because I've been a part of the child's life ever since Yazala. She's 8 years old. So 8 years of her life, I've been there. She's everything to me. She's the world. She's my world. We had a very, very good relationship with her mom as well. Unfortunately, she passed away when she was in grade R, and Uvelu baby was already living with us.
Yes.
So I mentioned things about court just the other now. So njengoba nje we're going to court now because we are now fighting for custody because her mother's side of the family, I'm not even going to say her mother's side of the family because her step grandfather wants, I don't know, uthi ufuna abuye ezohlala naye. Like, how do you take her away
From ubaba wakhe.
from ubaba wakhe and
Yeah.
ufuna uzohlala naye?
Especially in a healthy home where uyakhuliswa uyafundiswa wenzelwa yonke into.
Everything. She goes for tuitions, she goes for swimming lessons, she goes for extramurals, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So I'm like, it's okay ukuthi afike ezokuvakasha ezonibona because her mother's sisters are there. Oh, auntie bakhe, oh, mamncane bakhe bakhona lapho. But you cannot now have full control of this child. Une routine anayo. She's been living with us since suke crash. Uyabo uyafika ezikunini. Her mother, wayifuna ukuthi ahlale nathi vele when she was sick. Even washo wathi I want you, Cela, please take my child.
Yes.
Even no baba wakho uyazi ukuthi should you and I break up, uzohamba ezakhe ingane zingaphandle. When you will pack your bags and leave.
Eyamle.
Le eyam.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
my child.
Yeah,
You know, so
yeah.
it's that. Look, we got the shock of our lives. That's when we received letters. Ukuthi, iganjeni ingane, you need to go to court. So now we're going to court just today after tomorrow. So yeah, it's a lot that's going on, but yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine.
At the end of this conversation, you are speaking to my lawyer.
Yes,
Immediately.
definitely. Immediately.
I think my personal observation, I don't know much about the story. I think the grandfather probably it's embedded in homophobia. Nalento ukuthi amadoda awuthiwa akhulisa ingane
He
yentombazane.
did say that in the statement. He said things and then because the letter or the affidavit is addressed to the dad.
Okay.
And then he's living with a man.
Uzifakile akaze athi uzigwaze ngowakhe kunama rights eSouth Africa.
Yes, he's living with a
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
And two, with impilo yami manje, I'm no longer a man, you know, and we be okay, fine, you can call me a man. It is what it is. Okwakho lokho mina ngiyazazi ukuthi ngubani. But for the fact that ukuthi usho kanjalo, and we've been together. We've been together with these people. We've been together with this family. We've been together with them now. But ukuthi when konzita bayidinga, we'll also be able to help them also. Sikwazi ukuthi sibasize. And then now this. So yeah. That's it. That's basically it. And this just came weeks ago where my partner called me. What's how yazi ngifica incwadi kanjena elandlini kanje and I was still on the show. I think the first person I told about that was spectacular. I was like, this is what's going on right now. I'm just not okay. Thank goodness because to go past 5 show isizophela vele. So imagine getting that at 2:30. Kusazomela ngihambe ngemoyeni and then yeah. It's always just something. Yabo impilo mabona ukuthi it's just going well. Khamba kahle konke. Ngihappy usathana uzothi. Ethi kanje. but I guess bese kuyisikhathi sokuthi izinto mhlambe zibe legalized with ubaby njengamanje, and so yeah, she's my world. She means everything to me.
Uyazi, it's a reminder to me and a lot of queer people who consume this content ukuthi you are never fully safe
Never.
from your family even.
Yes.
Right? Bakwazi ukupretend maybe basathola izinto abayifunayo kuwena.
Yes.
But deep down they still hate you as a gay person.
Yeah, kusakhona lokho ngaphakathi. Uma ufuna izinto, uma usakwazi ukuprovide, uma usakwazi ukwenza lokho, uma usakwazi ukuthi ubenze bebe happy, noma bona bengathi ba happy ngoba vele bakuyuza wona ngendlela. Sometimes futhi ukuthi awuboni,
Yeah.
uyabona ukuthi ene kwenzeka kanjani, but then you still do it anyway because you're hoping ukuthi hey ngelinye ilanga kuyoba ngcono. You will be so surprised the amount of betrayal that one goes through, the amount of even nabangani bethu abamantombazane who are
Sure, those ones.
yes, even nabangani kumnandi
Yeah.
ngoba sahamba bonke namagays
Yeah.
kumnandi chomi.
Yeah.
As soon as kuba khona a fallout, you start usubizwa ngamagama kanje.
Correct?
Zonke izinto zakho obuzenza nabo
Correct.
ziyaqala manje mase ziyanekwa. Suka uthanda amadoda wena, suka vele kube kanjena, sicabana you're a man, you'll never be a woman. All of that base uyaqala babona ukuthi then mase uyayibuza ukuthi hawu mina kanti kade bengihamba nabantu abanjani ngaso sonke lesi sikhathi. Yabo, it's always there. Inhliziyo yami ibabhlungu kakhulu for our fellow brothers and sisters and fellow gays and lesbians who don't have anything, abangasebenzi, who are still dependent ngezinto ezenzeka ekhaya. What how bad it must have been for them. Mhlawumbe uqhamuka nasekhaya that does not approve of all this zinto ezenzakalayo. Awazi lutho wena, awunalutho, awusebenzi, all ukwazi yilo abane bakho nje kuphela. It is so sad.
Yeah,
It is very
yeah.
sad. Ngathi kuba sad ubuvele uyinto, ungabe engineer, ube kuphi, but still ekhaya your father or whoever will not approve of yonke lento le oyiyona.
Yeah,
I know of a story of a gay guy ubaba wakhe waze wahamba wayemsamo ekhuluma namadlozi wathi then ingane usibani akusayona ingane yami ngiyayikhipha la ekhaya, akuyona ingane, anginayo ingane njena mina. So you must imagine bonke labantu abangayitholi i-support thina siyitholile. And then you will get people abazothanda usell Beyonce, bona these very same parents who will love Sel Beyonce. Siyamthanda usell Beyonce. Why umthanda Sel Beyonce? Hayi nje umnandi nje, sithanda i-radio yakho uyasihlekisa nani. Kodwa as soon as ingane isho ukuthi ma baba mina kanje ngithanda ubulili obufanayo, but so bayithandela kude le
correct.
abayifuna ukuthi ibe la
Correct.
kubona. You see what I mean? It's hypocrites kodwa lo.
It's entertainment. It's not real life.
Yes.
People's identity to heterosexual / straight people,
Yeah.
especially black people, kuyi-entertainment ilento ekude nesicefe lapha kude emnandi futhi
Yes.
besiyibona ku-TV noma sizwa ku-radio.
Yeah.
But we won't accept that the reason imnandi it's because of their humanity.
Yeah.
Intrinsically humans connect to each other, but you'll hold on to the hate.
Yeah, you'll hold on to the hate masukhohla kukho konke lokho kunye. Kwabakubonayo konke lokho who are still coming to terms of everything that's happening. I mean, you've got abantu abafana njengami, you've got your Yaya Mavundlas, you've got your Sumizis, you've got your Dominiques abakhona njengamanje Ilano nani. Bayabona abantu emhlabeni ukuthi okay, bakhona basibiza ngathi bakhona lenhlobo noma bakhona labantu laba. It's up to us futhi manje ukuthi sumele ukuthi sifundise abantu and show awareness ngokuthi abantu abakhona, abantu abaphilayo. When I first came out to my gran back in 2008, engibuzile, by the way, I was never going to come out. Well, I've always been out. But kodwa ke esefuna assurance, wathi ugogo, awu lento kade yabakhona kudala. Kuphela ukuthi nje yayithabu
Yeah.
back then, you know. And now, fast forward to 2026, it's fully blown, my babe. It's everywhere. And abantu bathi style lezi, nathi the style. Angazi onke style. Mina kodwa mhlawumbe ukuthi imizwa yami yona ke style. So kodwa engikushoyo ukuthi thina ke who've got the platform, siyakwazi sine opportunity ukuthi sifundise. Because abanye uyabona ukuthi bayafuna ukufunda. Because ukubona even now osomatekisi. Osomatekisi ebona baze bangiqamba ukuthi ngumamkhize when I was working that side.
Yeah.
Babe ngibiza ukuthi ngumamkhize, and I accepted it because uyabona ukuthi nabo they are moving slowly but surely. Akuthi bathi xa, you know, kancane we will get there.
Yeah,
We'll get there.
I want to go back to parenting. How has that changed who you are because there's a lot of maturity I've taken from you, I'd say in the last 3 years.
Yes. So now kumele ugade ukuthi wenzani. Awukwazi umane uphume nje mangabe kuwulihlanu. Everything you do, the way you carry yourself around now, iy'ngane lezi ezinye ziyabo. Yebo, thank goodness vele ngoba vele umsebenzi esiwenzayo asikwazi vele ukuvesele senze nje noma kanjani emphakathini. But now kumele ngicabangele izinto zokuthi is everything paid for? Is the medical aid up to date? Yonke into uyabona ama-funeral policies, everything's up to date. Manje thina awukwazi ukuthi sengingaphuma ngihambe ngiyoyithengela noma yini. Kumele ngicabangele ingane uma uqala isitolo like, oh my gosh, she needs to get this, she needs to get that. Winter is coming. Usumthengelile izinto ze-winter zasebusika and things like that. Well, I had my nephew and nieces ababekhona, but they living with oma wabo nobaba wabo. But lo uhlala nami fully. So I had to make sure no ukuthi ingane yona if izizwa kanjani is safe yini. Ayikho into engithanda nokubaleka ukuthi ingane imihlezi safe ngaso sonke isikhathi nokuyilalela ukuthi ithini.
Sure.
If it's angifuni ukuvakasha ngiyaka sibanibani, don't force the child just because when ufuna ukuhamba wenza izinto zakho. Like mbuzo why ungafuni ukuhamba?
Kwenzakalani uma uye lapha?
Kwenzakalani uma
Yeah.
uye laphayana?
Yeah.
So mase ingane ke yakutshela so ilalele because now as soon as uma ungasayilaleli ingane because ithemba wena itshele wena yathi angifuni ukuhamba ngelaphayana. It's not that ukuthi iyacontrol kodwa yizwe ingane yona ukuthi ifuna ukuthi ithini. Ifuna ingane ukuthi ibe la comfortable safe. Asinakekeleni ingane ma let us be ama-gardens agrand sigade ingane thina si-safe haven yazo
Sure.
ingane singonkulunkulu babo basemhlabeni.
Sure.
So kumele sikwazi ukuthi ingane siba nakekela with whatever that we have. Hayi ukuthi sidonsa ngamakhala bancane bakwazi ukuyikhulumela. They're so young. And also ungavaleki emehlweni umbuze ingane, is everything okay? Is anyone teasing you at school? Khona kwenzakalani? And teach them also to be better people, better human beings. Because you will be telling me, oh, a friend of mine uhambile, and then the next thing uvesana waxaza this other child esikoleni because ngoba bishale enye ingane kathi wena baby ungalingi, do not even get yourself involved. Makhona kwenza kanjalo uhambe ugijime wena uyotshela umama wakho umtshela ukuthi this is what's going on. Teach them the right ways. And you're not into emnandi ukuthi upolite kakhulu. You've got every time in the world ukuthi ukwazi labo ukuthi ubafundise umqondo wabo ukuthi enene ufunction kanjani njalo ngendlela enhle bafundiseni kahle. Yeah.
You said something about listening to a child.
Listen.
Abazali bazi ukuthi ingane ngiyangitshelwe
Ngeke
ingane
ngitshelwe
mina.
ingane.
Yeah.
Listen to the child. Mayithi ingane angifuni ukwenza lokho. Mayithi ayifuni okay. Hlale pha hayi ungamemezi ungathethi. Mbuze ya what's going on. Hayi uzovesana ikhale ke ezinye. Why are you crying? Because I mean I read something very, very sad on social media the other day where we sithole incwadi this teenager left ukuthi ibe busy idlwengulwa umalume wayo. Meanwhile manje baba wena uzange uzubona ukuthi what was going on. Bungithengela konke ungithengele lokho nalokho yana, but you didn't see ukuthi and then this is what was going on. Ingakho mina bengihlezi ngibe sendlini. I got everything, I got the perfect life, but you didn't see, you didn't give me time. So benikeza isikhathi ukuphuma. It doesn't even require imali. Yebo, sometimes sisebenza so hard. Sometimes ukuyasho na ukuthi you are never home. And I'm like ngiyasebenza late, just like tonight I'm going to come back very late at home uzobe selele, but I want to make sure mangivuka ekseni uyangibona ngisqueeze isikhathi kancane. Yes, i-transport esikoleni yamlanda, but I'm also able ukuthi ngimdrive and take her to school. Dad uyakwazi ukuthi amthatha mise esikoleni sikhokhela i-transport, it's fine, but we wanna drive with her. Say that because you don't know what you might get also along the way.
Sure.
Also the type of music that she wants to listen to. I mean, starting the day in and sometimes schools can be very like, oh, ingane mayifuna ukuya esikoleni ikhuluma yonke into sibuhlungu siso kukanjani, I don't want to go to school today. So umele uzame ngayo yonke indlela ingane ukuthi umenze ukuthi abe happy so that baqala usuku lakhe abe right, abe grand.
Yeah. It's interesting to see the side of you.
Really?
Angikwazi vele nje.
Yay! So yeah, I'm a parent now. I'm absolutely loving it. And then there are some people who just want to take it away from me, but it is what it is.
Ngazi lo yase.
You know? So yeah.
No, we really do grow. We evolve and we really, really become new versions of ourselves. Ne?
Yeah.
How did you navigate having to live with her while she realized that her mother is passed away?
I guess that is why when her mom was sick, gangenza show ukuthi I would drive her to the hospital, make sure ukuthi uthola yonke care ayidingayo. and the best care that we could afford ngaleso sikhathi. Because when she was sick, she was also living with someone else, and things were just not so good. And so ngikwenza lokhu ngicabangela yena, ngicabangela nalengane le ena 5 years engasilahlekele uma wayo. And then I'll make sure ngimbuza ukuthi yonke into right, ujovile, because she was wayifaka ulokhuzana wayijova every day ushukela. And I'm like, ujovile, all right, everything. And sometimes we go khathaz. So when I got the call, I was supposed to go to a team building slash half-year review, and I was going to go away kude in Hluhluwe, and the network ayikho. And I said, angithanda ukuhamba, angithanda ukuhamba lezi zinto lezi. I will come on the day where ngidingakala, where I'm going to be presenting phambili, and I'm going to leave the next morning. Uzofe, I'm not going to stay away for 4 days ey'ntabeni. Life has to continue. Ake seyizinto futhi ezazingicasula ngala ukuthi we go away for so long, and nan life has to continue. 2 days is enough. We've got lives, and singama ICs, you know, like tina imali, time is money for us. So when this happened now, bahambe on the Monday, kwathiwa bangahambi ke, they'll be suspended, they'll be taken off. I was like, grand shop anginaking hambani, I'll be taken off ngaleso sikhathi. Nangempela ngahamba. So when bahamba, I get the call ntambama ukuthi the mom has passed away, and kuzomele ukuthi angcwatshwe today ntambama, because she's Muslim also. So kuzomele ukuthi angcwatshwe khona namhlanje ntambama. I'm like, what the hell? Lapho ingane ngiyayizwa ihleli ngale, mina ngisekamerweni, it's a Monday, ihleli ngalena ekamerweni lakhe, ubhizi uyacula, uyasiza lesigubhu, nika,
Yes,
nika.
yes.
She's happy, she's so happy today. I walk around the house, gihambe, I don't tell the dad, I don't tell anyone. And at that time, wakhona there was another child that we were living with, who is a family friend of ours. I call her, and I'm like, okay, yes, sekshuna umaga iminati. And then she's like, what? I'm like, yeah. I don't know how to tell Iminati this. I don't know how to tell the dad. Ngibhizi usisi lo siza endlini ngimtshele, I'm like, this is the story, this is what's going on. It's how ematches. I go ngiyivalele ekamerweni nami ngiyikhalele ngokwami. Mase ngisuka lapho. Inkinga ukuthi ngizomtshela kanjani lo mntwana lo ohappy kangaka, obuzayo futhi ukuthi uma ubuya nini, because nge-weekend kumele ngihambe ngiyombona uma, because she would spend the weekday with us, and ngama-weekend kumele ahambe yohlala noma wakhe lapho. So eventually, then I got her into the car, driver saya kubo. Manje siyaxakeka ukuthi okay ngidlule ngilande nabanye odade wabo. So ngidluleke uyaxaka ukuthi why is everyone out nasemotweni, she's still jolly, she's bubbly, she's you know, sihambe, we get there. Ngibuza abantu abadala ngisibona, guys, how do I do this? Abantu abadala kunami, I'm like, how do we tell her? Because uyabona manje kuhlangene, now uyaqale uyabona everything is just getting somber. What's going on? Kuthiwa mtshele sawube ukhona kukhula lokho, because everyone manje useyasaba ubalekile. I'm like, guys, mina ngiyingane, oh, you know. And I'm like, wow, guys, ngiyanibonga. Anyway, I ended up telling her, I'm like, okay, baby, mom loves you very much. I saying, yes. And she is now going to a place to go join ugogo, who is her mom. Uyomjoyina manje because her mom had just her grandmother just died the previous year as well. So she is now going to join her, and they are going to be ama angels ayogada wena for you to perform well in school, pass grade R, and just be a beautiful girl. And then she starts crying, and I was like, thank God it's done. Yeah, and kwasekwenzeka-ke, I had to make sure umqondo wakhe ubhizi, hence esaka grade R ngam-enroll ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Weekends take out, simkeep, abe busy, go kuyodlala ama-games, try get her to dancing lessons, try get her to do swimming, khona ezobuza ukuthi enene kwenzakalani. And then I would tell her each and every single day, ukuthi khumbula, wherever you go, ma uhamba now, mama is with you wherever you go. She comes back from school this one time. She's like, oh, ngiwile esikoleni but angilimalanga. Kazi indaba ngalimalanga because I know ukuthi uma ubengigadile.
Come
I was
on.
like, good.
Yeah.
Umama
Yeah.
ugadile. Sometimes
yeah.
if ngibuke at the stars phezulu from the window ebusuku, kithi mina, do you see that star there? Umaka is in one of those stars. That's where your mom is right now. She's shining. Ilaitsi yakhe lana. So she's with you everywhere you go. So I'm feel like in local kandila ukuthi she's umawake is with her wherever she goes.
Yes,
You
yes,
know, so
yeah.
I guess she found comfort in that. Ukuthi umawake unai wherever la ahamba khona. I guess it worked.
How are you getting this capacity though to be like that? Because you were fresh from grief.
Babe, fresh from grief.
Yeah.
Angazi, angifukamba mang, angazi, we all ukhula along the way. Akekho ukutshela ukuthi wenza lokhu, ukhula along the angazi. Ake singabona ukuthi sengumzali namanje because ubaba wakhe would always say umzali umzali keke manje, you see what's happening. So I don't know. I guess you just have to be strong because I was strong with my previous relationship when I lost a partner, and it was bad. It was tough. I would just break out. No me no ma even clapping into show, and then I would leave uchata on the show. Because of the fact that I'm still grieving, and then now this. Grief is something else.
Ne?
Like, you lose your mind.
Literally.
You lose your mind, you lose yourself, you don't even know who you are. And then umnyaka usuhambile ubuza ukuthi ngadlula kanjani le nto. So yeah, that's how it is.